Estimates in PM. Manifest are where you build your schedule of values before a contract is signed. Every line item you price here becomes the foundation for draw applications, change orders, and invoices later. Let's walk through creating one from scratch. First, you will notice a Manage Disclaimer button at the top. Here is where you can create templates for disclaimers that can include your terms of service, payment terms, etc. Click New Estimate in the top left. The first thing you'll do is select the job this estimate belongs to. Every estimate is tied to a job, which keeps your billing history organized by project. Give your estimate a title, something like Base Bid or Phase 1 Proposal. You can optionally add a description if you want to note the scope or revision number. Below that, you'll set your retainage percent and tax percent. These apply to the full estimate. Retainage is the percentage the owner holds back until substantial completion. 10% is common. Tax applies on top of your subtotal. Both can be adjusted after creation if needed. If you have a disclaimer template set up, things like terms and conditions or standard exclusions, you can attach one here. Hit Create Estimate. You land directly on the schedule of values. PM Manifest automatically creates your first section so you can start adding line items right away. Click the section name to rename it, something like General Conditions or Rough Framing. Sections let you organize your line items into logical groups, which makes the estimate easier to read and maps cleanly to your draw applications later. Click Add Line Item. A new row appears and your cursor lands in the description field automatically. Type your description, then tab through the columns, quantity, unit, and unit price. The extended amount calculates automatically, quantity times unit price. Keep adding line items to fill out the section. Common units are LS for lump sum, EA for each, SF for square feet, LF for linear feet, whatever fits your trade. You can reorder line items by dragging the grip handle on the left. When you're ready to add another category, click Add Section at the bottom of the table. Give it a name, then add its line items the same way. Each section shows its own subtotal on the right. Below your sections is the discounts area. If you need to apply a deduction, a material credit, a negotiated reduction, or a mobilization discount, add it here. You can enter it as a flat dollar amount or switch to a percentage of the subtotal using the toggle on each row. At the bottom of the table, you'll see your total contract value. That's your subtotal plus discounts plus tax. Up in the header, you can click the retainage and tax percentages to edit them inline at any time while the estimate is still in draft. When you're ready to review it, hit PDF in the top right to generate a formatted estimate document you can send to the client. Once you're happy with the numbers, change the status to Sent. PM Manifest will ask which portal contacts you want to notify. Select them and hit Send. They'll receive an email with a link to review the estimate in the client portal. In the next tutorial, we'll cover how to create an estimate directly from an existing job structure.